Jetpack.
Challenger SR2 Demon, one of only 183.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. 297 Mods here, back with another video for you today. And today we're actually going to be doing something different. I'm gonna head to downtown Dallas. I'm gonna meet my boy Who Wants Smoke. We're gonna actually drive a little bit. We're gonna go to a car auction, something I have not been before. So before we do that, let me grab my keys and my coffee. Got my coffee here. Whoop. Got some goodies there. That's for a small video in the future. And let's do a cold start. Whee! Sounds good, sounds good. Now, car is nice and cleaned. Now, one other thing I'm gonna actually be fixing tomorrow. It happened a few weeks ago. It sucks. You guys been there before? Look at this. I got a door ding. It happens, it sucks. Sometimes you can get pissed about it, but I was looking around who can fix it for me here. So I found a guy. Tomorrow I'll be actually dropping the car off and picking up the next day. So we'll see. I'll try to record a video from it. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. Just heading now to meet my boy. Look at this beautiful Corvette. So, man, there's something about driving a clean car, especially when they're kind of fast. For some weird reason, they feel faster. Woo! Ah, that feeling undescribable. Hear all those horses? Let's just put a smile on your face. So, gonna meet my boy at Fuel City. I need to get some gas. So, see you guys when I get there. Just got to Fuel City and pull up right behind my boy. So, gonna get some gas. We barely got here, and look what we got here. Nice car, man. Got some kitties in the house. Another Hellcat Challenger. Look at this Hellcat Charger. Beautiful car. Jetpack. Now we're gonna do a GoPro on the other hand. Where can people find you? What's your Instagram?
At Lorna Sheets, LORNASHEETS.
Okay, I will put it down on the list.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Careful, let it dry.
Okay, I will. Thank you.
Have a good day.
This Demon, obviously 2018, the only year with the Demon, is gonna go for auction in a bit. It's crazy. It has the red seat belts. It says here all the specs, 1 up to 183, and it has never been tracked, supposedly. So it doesn't say the miles on the sticker. They'll talk about it as they do the bidding, but yeah, so clean. We'll see how much it goes.
One of only 183 produced in white metal. Only 810 original miles. Supercharged 6.2.
Okay guys, how much do you think this one is going for? Let me know down in the comments. Let me know.
200,000, 200,000, 200,000, 200,000, 150, 150, 150,000, 100,000 on bid. You want 100,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 70,000, 80,000, 80,000, 90,000, 90,000, 100,000 now, 110, 110,000 there, 110,000 no 20, 120, 120, make it 20,000, 120, 130, 120, 130. You want to bid $130,000 SRT Demon, 130,000 anyone, 120, 130, 120, 130,000, 120 bid, 130 buyer, 130,000, 120 bid, 130, 130, 120, 130, 140, 130, 140. We're gonna have 140, 135, 140, 135, 140, 140, 140,000, 140,000, 140, 140,000.
They're not making them anymore. It's only 1 year produced.
140,000, 140,000.
Just 2018.
135,000. The bid goes on.
It's 116 and 1969. Coco Camaro. You put in the care of the same.
Sold for 135. Look at this wrap. All for a whiskey. At least they got a Hellcat in there. Man, talking about something different. Look at this. Hellcat engine. This thing is crazy. And the nice thing about it, it's wrapped. So you would think it's paint, but it's wrapped. It looks crazy. It has AC. And here's all the information of it. Yeah, thank you. It's looking crazy. Even the interior is just sick, neat, AC working. Man.
Not just messes with my 180 dash.
It is just out of this world. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And look at the wheels. And it's going for the auction. I wish I had the money to buy it, so somebody will get this today. Another older Dodge here. Look at the shaker. Beautiful. Looks very similar to the Plum Crazy. Not sure if they had that name from back in the days. Not sure if it's original paint, but this thing looks nasty. Nasty. Walking down memory lane with all these Ferraris. Man, this place is crazy. Crazy. Look at this Road Runner 440 big block. Talking about original Mopars. Jeez. And the interior is clean. Clean. And some extra wheels I see. This little lineup is crazy. Look how clean this engine bay is. beautiful SS. Then we got the Camaro Z28 302 engine. Man, these cars are just out of this world. I'm speechless. Another El Camino. Clean engine bay. Look how spotless everything looks. Mustang GT500 is... Woo! Look at the wheels, man. Oh my god. This thing is crazy. Thank you.
It's beautiful inside.
It is. Man, this Mustang is crazy.